Tikangai na yembalelo oza malamu nekuluso kufelinga oza malamu Tikangai na yembalelo oza malamu opangwisi pinzolinanga oza
My name is Cheryl, and I co-founded Mwana Villages with my husband Lambert. Well, it was born in my heart since I was a kid. I always wanted to help orphans. I'd sit and watch TV, documentaries, and cry. And my husband happens to be Congolese. And when he got a job in Congo, we moved here for that. But then I was really touched and I really wanted to help. So that's why we started Mwana. Mwana is important to this community because there are no other structures in Pointe Noire like ours. In the last year, we've rescued, we can say, 23 little kids, babies mostly, and their lives have changed. And it's important to the global community because it's a way of giving, it's a way of caring about people's experience in the world and their suffering. We have an example of one young lady who was really in a desperate situation. She came to abandon her child, but we kept them together. So we took care of both of them, and now they have their own place. So our priority is keeping kids with their parents, reuniting children with their families. So we'll work with the families to get them to that place where they could have their child back. I think that it's important that other organizations also understand that creating orphans isn't the solution, or encouraging people to orphan their children isn't the solution. That we can work with these moms and help them to keep their children. Seeing somebody who was desperate and having no hope, to suddenly have hope, to suddenly be healthy and happy, and just to see a transformation is amazing.
Zamboza malamu, yoza malamu, yoza malamu.